back to Only Mods, guys. As you can see in the thumbnail, we will be putting on some Vland tail lights on the Polo, so let's get into it. Yeah, if you haven't liked, subscribed, commented, hit the subscribe button, because we've got headlights on the way. We're also getting a Ottinger, that's how you pronounce it, spoiler, and then some rims and tires, and then hopefully down the future, if we get a couple of subscribers, we'll be chucking on some airbags, obviously. Okay, so we decided to go with the smoked Vland tail lights. Man, they look good. Okay, so probably gonna have a quick read of the instructions, make sure everything's as simple as it seems. Very simple. It looks like this one up here is for 2011 to 2013, and this is 2014 to 2017. So it's pretty neat that they come with two plugs to suit the different years. So we'll go install these on our Polo and check it out. So first thing you need to do is you have to uninstall your original OEM lights, and how you do that is inside our Polos, if you come in here, there's a little tab here, just turn that, unclicks. In here you can see this white tab. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to undo this, twist it anti-clockwise, because it's like a screw, so it holds the whole assembly in place. So it's nice and tight, just give it a good wiggle. Okay, it's almost, there you go. Okay, so put this aside, and now this whole assembly should just pop out. As you can see, it's nice and loose. So behind your light, you've got this plug that you're just gonna undo. It's got two little clicks here. Push that down and then wiggle the light loose. Now what you want to do is you want to take your wiring, make sure it's all untangled. I'm going to hold it here. I'm going to push your old wiring through the hole into the back. Here we're going to want to hook it up. Now what you will want to do is stick these down before you install your light. So I'll quickly go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what it looks like. So I've stuck the black box up against this back wall, and the orange one, gold one up there against that. But once that's installed, all you need to do is get your little clip that clips into the front here. And pull this through the hole. So now you take your light, hook it up. It's a bit hard to do with one hand. There you go. Click that in. Now you want to line up your light. Push this clip into that hole. Like that. At the back here, that's neat. You want to put your screw back into that hole. And tighten it. There you go. So that's fitted right there. Looks mean. So here you can see a side by side comparison, and man, look at the difference. It's pretty neat. Okay guys, so there you have it. We've got the Vland taillights installed. They look absolutely amazing. The indicators are just perfect. They just look really nice. So next will be our headlights. We also have our Ottinger spoiler coming. I already tinted these rear windows, but I feel like I should maybe rip these out and redo it because I'm not entirely happy with how I did it, and possibly make that into a video. We still want to get some rims and tires, possibly get it lowered and even do an exhaust. So if you guys like what you see, hit the subscribe button, like the video and comment. We'll try to answer as many comments as possible, or all of the comments because we're not even that big. Probably only have like 20 views, but yeah, so yeah, thanks for watching guys, and